common error that users run into when trying to update their system is this error. So if this is also happening to you, let us explore the solutions you can try to resolve it. Now an easy way to resolve this issue is by deleting the contents of this folder or removing Data Store folder as a whole. If you only want to repair them, open File Explorer, navigate to the following location, locate the Data Store folder in the Software Distribution folder, right-click on it, then choose Delete from the context menu. Now you have to click on Yes in the confirmation prompt to proceed. Then once the folder is deleted, open the Settings app and try installing the updates again. Now another thing you can try to do is to scan the system for potential issues. All you have to do is open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press Enter, then wait for the command to execute, and then execute the following command, press Enter again, proceed with the following command, press Enter again, and then once this command is executed, close the command prompt window and check if you can now download the targeted updates. And those are the simple fixes for this following error code that you have in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.